Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Analytics or Computing with Python. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1. In this unit, we are going to cover Python, General Overview, Python versus Excel, Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook, Interface Overview, Data Types in Python, Python Basic Syntax, Assignment Statements, Creating Variables, Indentation, Conditionals, and Loops, Writing User-Defined Functions. Working with Libraries, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Python SQL Database Access, Introduction, Installation, DB Connection, Creating DB Table. Next is Unit 2. Pandas, Working with Data Frame, Importing from Excel, or .csv files, Powerful filters and indexes. NumPy, selecting data with LOC and iloc, using NumPy for speed, trade-offs between arrays and lists, array functions. Data cleansing and normalization, libraries for data visualization, types of charts or graphs and how to build them. Last one is Unit 3. Machine learning, introduction, definitions, supervised, unsupervised, Python libraries for machine learning, scikit-learn, regression, linear regression, logistic regression, overfitting and regularization. Hope it's helpful.